show you some kids some kids toy. So we are showing one dinosaur soft ball and one snow nighter puzzle and one wooden magnet.
We're everywhere together. Let's open the side. Hey, do you want to see the one that's freaking?
So these three we will show you. So one is dinosaur, one is wooden magnet, and one is snow Aurora puzzle, Jigsaw puzzle. So first we will open this dinosaur. Okay? So are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah. So we will open this.
Open it.
Oh, open this. So in previously also I have shown one dinosaur soft bullet gun, but this bullet gun is a little bit different. So let's open this soft bullet gun dinosaur. So let's.
What is this?
Okay. So this is really. Okay.
What is that?
This is a little bit different. You can see. Oh wow. So this is the gun. The gun is a little bit. Okay, so this is the gun.
Hey, Mom, this is mine.
Okay. Okay. So,
What's this?
okay, and these are the soft bullets. You can see. So we'll see.
Open the yellow one. Crack it open. Let's put this.
So you have to put the bullet here, like this,
Here, light,
and like this.
This should go.
These are the bullet colors. You can see. 3 different color bullets.
Oh no!
Okay, see.
The battery. Crack.
Oh!
Fire! Fire!
Bullet here.
Wait,
Look!
the rain.
I can put 2 bullets here.
Yellow. Oh, there's one more. Even more yellow.
So pull the bullet
No.
here. Trigger.
Oh, it's the blue.
So like this.
No.
We'll put one here.
Oh, the white.
See, pull the trigger. So this is the gun. You can see. Yeah, it was pretty much very good.
No, that's your girl.
Yeah.
Yes.
So these are the stuff where you can put your bullets here and put it on. You can store the bullets here. So the next one will open this wooden magnet.
Magnet lips. See? The blue one.
So this is the wooden magnet. So the wooden magnet comes with this. So these are the colors. It comes like colors, and one paint. These are the paint brushes, and these are the glitter. And this is tiny paint, and this is yeah, we'll paint that. And this is her. Oh, so he can get this thing, and these are the wooden pieces. You can see. So they can paint this. So this is really cool. Yeah, these are really innovative way to engage your kid. This is a good one.
What's this? Yes, that's a turtle. That's a green
So
turtle.
this is.
It was like this. No, there's the blue one. And the colors. This color. Color. Mixed colors like colors.
Do it.
Some more. More. Oh no.
Yeah, color it.
Some blue.
So this is like a really great way to engage your kids, because I like this thing.
Come on, shrug it. Here.
Magnet, so you can put it in anywhere, and like these are magnets, so you can put it here. Yeah, these are like a really cool stuff for your kids to engage. I really like it. So all are like a magnet. So the next one is the Snow Aurora puzzle. So let's open this one. So these are the puzzles, you can see. This is the So these are the puzzle pieces, you can see. These are the 1000 puzzle pieces. So, yeah, this. These are the. The paint brush is definitely helpful for your kid, and they have magnets, so it will stick in any iron surface. You can put it in the fridge or somewhere just to do colorful paints, and you can stick there. That's a really good activity for your kids. And this is also really nice and good quality. These are like soft, so it will not hurt your kids. So yeah, definitely these are like a really cute toys for your kids. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.